I just discovered a way to save aluminum foil when it tears unevenly. I've tried many methods to stop it from tearing and getting tangled, and finally found a brilliant solution that means I no longer have to struggle with it. There's nothing more annoying than reaching for foil and finding out that someone in the household used it incorrectly, making it impossible to unwind smoothly. Can you believe that to get rid of those layers, all you need is a piece of aluminum foil? This is one of the best and simplest kitchen hacks. Let's get to it. Tear off a piece of foil from the roll and crumple it into a ball. Start rubbing it over the unevenly torn layers of the foil. Watch as it begins to smooth out the roll perfectly. Don't rub too hard, and control your movements to avoid damaging the good pieces of foil. After a short time of rubbing, you'll see that the roll no longer has any tangled layers. Just tear off the damaged piece and enjoy your new smooth roll of aluminum foil.